Hello. Today we will introduce a Woocommerce variation plugin which works like this. We can choose variation exactly like this, and we can cut the label product. We can implement this feature in our WordPress site easily with a simple plugin. The plugin name is Woocommerce Variation Swatch plugin. Here the plugin section. This is the plugin. Using this plugin, you can easily get this feature. In my video description, I will give this plugin link. You can easily get from there. After installing and activating this plugin, you will get a feature in the Woocommerce settings option. Here you will get a extra area Woocommerce product swatch. From here you can set general settings. Here simple general settings. You can enable tooltip and activity insights set from here, and you can set height, width, etc. Here the advanced section, you can clear and reset enable from here, and other attributes you can set from here. Here the style section, you can set color and other style from here, and this section is archive page enabling system. If you want to show this feature in your archive page or shop page here, then you have to enable this feature, and here you have to give image selector class name. By default it is this group as 12-bit. You can check here if it is not working. You can check by inspect element. You can check your selector name from here. Then you can set here from here the variation position. You can set from here, and other special attributes settings you can check from here. If you want to show this on click, then you can check this, or if you want to show by hovering this, then you have to choose this feature. Okay, then save changes, and here the tool section, you can choose these settings if you want. Okay, then we have to add attributes, product attributes from this section. From attribute section, you can add your own attribute. I have already added two types of attributes, like brand and color. Here I will add a new attribute like size, product size, and I can set from here attribute type. By default it is select. I can check button or any other thing. Then add attribute. Here the size attribute, add it here. Then configure the item. I have to add there my product sizes like L. You can give a slider description, or you can skip it. And just to another cell. Okay. Then from all product section, you can add new products or can implement this feature in the existing product. Now I will implement this in my existing product. First, we have to ensure this your product is available product. Then go to the attributes section where you can add your attributes. Is already have seen I have 3 attributes like brand, colors and size. First I will add color and add where I can use all attributes or can choose a specific attributes which I have. Okay, then set attributes. Then as same as I can add size attribute, add, and from here you can choose your size and save attribute. Okay, sorry, just to do it. Okay, then I have to add the product variations from here. Sorry, I have missed something. I have to check this. Okay. Now I can choose from all attributes. I can choose then go for variation method. Okay, I have added green, merge. You can modify from here or any size can set from here, or you can make combination like this. Then from after clicking this, you can add your variable product variation features like image, sorry. Set here as the value or and here you can set your price or any other thing you can set or cancel. Then as soon as you can add your own product variable or attributes, price, SKU value, everything from here as light as. Okay. But it is a little bit time consuming. Just I'm keeping this. Okay. Yes, I have added successfully all my attributes and images, content, everything. Now save and publish here. Then below the page and variation from here. Okay. Just simply we change the set the value and it will work. It will work. It is changing. See, the price is changing, name is changing. It is working. It is just a simple plugin. You can easily use this by following this video step by step. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you will enjoy this plugin. Thank you.